Welcome to this Forex trading strategy. My name is David Samuj. Yes, I'm going to be backtesting a trading strategy for you right about now using TradingView. This is a TradingView strategy. Okay, I don't want to waste your time, so I'm going to go straight right onto it and explain this strategy. Two things we're going to be using in this strategy is one, we're going to be using the 200 moving average, which you see here. This is the 200 moving average, this blue line you see just above price, the 200 moving average. And secondly, we are going to be using the STC indicator. The STC indicator simply means we are going to be using the sharp trend cycle indicator. This is a sharp trend cycle, as you can see, sharp trend cycle indicator. Okay, we're going to be using this strategy for this video. So I'm going to be showing you how this strategy works because I don't want this video to be too long and I don't want to waste your time because I know your time is precious. So I'm going to put it into full screen mode and I'm going to show you how the strategy works. Okay, I'm going to be showing you how this strategy works so that you can use it for yourself. What you need to do for this strategy is to make sure you are only buying when the price is above the 200 moving average, as you can see. Okay, and what we are looking for is this dot you see here. This dot is very important. So once you see a blue dot, you know you're getting ready to buy once price is above the 200 moving average. And then we just wait for the cross, which we add here. All right, so we add this cross here. You can wait for the first cross or this blue candle you see here and just take your trade for a 1 to 1.5. Okay, you just take your trade for a 1 to 1.5. So for this one, this would have been the trade just here. I would like to give it one more candle. I would have taken my trade just here for a 1 to 1.5, and if I done that, I would have been able to win that trade for a 1 to 1.5 just around the year. Okay, that would have been the first trade and that trade would have definitely won, as you can see it. Okay, so now we add a second opportunity to enter the trade just about here also, but we can see that trade would have actually lost, and that is why you need to test a forex trading strategy 100 times to know if it's going to be profitable for you or not. Okay, my videos are not scripted, so you have to bear with me. I'm doing this live, so you have to understand I want to be close to you guys. I want to be natural and I want to show you how this works real time. Okay, so this would have been a second buy. Definitely looking at this because we saw the green dot, we had that cross up here. Okay, so would have taken that trade here for a 1 to 1.5, and trust me, that would have been a losing trade. But we are not here to hide the losing trade. We are here to know if the strategy is going to be profitable in long term. Okay, this is a long-term strategy. We want to know whether it's going to be profitable long-term, so that is why we are testing it. So we add another opportunity to get into a trade here again. All right, we had another opportunity to get in here again around here, if I'm correct. So if we had done that, we would have just seen for ourselves that we might have to go some long while before we make profit, but that is not the aim. The aim is to make sure we are 100% profitable at all time. Okay, at all time, that is the aim. And as you can see here, this is us losing 2 in a row, and some people, this is where they'll say, oh, a strategy is not profitable. But I'm going to tell you right now, this strategy has had one of my highest profit margin in a long time. So those are buy trade. I'm going to show you a sell trade just about now. For sell trade, what you're looking for is the price below the 200 moving average, as you can see here. That's what we are looking for. We are looking for the price below the 200 moving average. So this is the price and the 200 moving average is above it. So we want to be selling 200 moving average above, price under, down, and we want to be selling. So where did we get our first trade? This is where it happened. Okay, we had the red dot, just about there, and then it was followed by the cross. Okay, and there I took my trade. Okay, so this is where I took my trade for a 1 to 1.5, and that would have been a cool winner for us. Okay, for a 1 to 1.5, we obviously would have won that one neatly. Okay, as you can see here, and let's see if we had another opportunity going forward for a sell. All right, and yes, we did have another opportunity for a sell, which is still playing out as at the time of recording this video. So we had a red dot just about here on this candle, right? And there we'll enter our trade on this candle. As you can see, this one would have been a perfectly losing trade at the moment, but what are we going to do if we don't test the strategy 100 times? We are definitely not going to know. So we're just going to go now and test the strategy 100 times and come back with the result. And trust me, you're going to be blown away when the result is out. So let's go. So after 100 trade, this Forex trading strategy was able to make $3,050, okay, profit on a 50-minute chart with a win rate of 51% within 2 months after backtesting this trading strategy for 100 trade using a win reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Note this was done just to show you why backtesting a trading strategy is super important. Okay, so it's super important to test your trading strategy for 100 trade. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a video after now. If you want me to test a different strategy, let me know down in the comment, and I'm going to go over and test that trading strategy for you to know if the strategy is going to be profitable for you or not. Okay, it is super important you test your trading strategy and not test for just 5 trade. You want to test for 100 trade at the beginning, okay, because you might take your first 5 trade and lose, and you think trading strategy is not worth your time, but then find out at the long run after 100 trade you are profitable. From the screen where I showed you how the strategy was, you saw me losing 3 in a row, but then what happened, I was able to recover that and I was able to make $3,000 in just 2 months on the 50-minute chart. So you see how important it is to always backtest trading strategy for 100 trade. It's super important, and I want you guys to get into the habit of doing that for yourself. I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe.